Hi, I am Aleem Ashraf. I am a psychology educator. Standard online classes are often a struggle. For many teachers, they are a nightmare of technical limitations and broken flow. Switching between apps causes delays that break a student's focus. And when the teacher disappears behind a slide deck, the human connection is lost. I started using OBS Studio to fix these issues. It allows me to create a professional and engaging learning environment. Now I can use a digital whiteboard to explain complex ideas while staying on screen. Teacher presence improves student retention. Transitions between my slides, browser, and PDF files are now smooth and seamless. I use integrated timers to keep the class organized and activities on track. Most importantly, I have total control. I only share what is necessary, keeping my desktop and privacy protected. I encourage other educators to try OBS Studio. OBS Studio is free, professional, and changes the teaching experience for the better. Happy teaching and learning!